A path of destruction. Damage estimates as high as $47 billion right now. It may be one of the most expensive storms in U.S. history. And if you're filing a claim, you may have questions, so let's get you some answers. Joining me on the morning show, insurance agency owner Billy Wagner from Brightway. Good morning. Appreciate you being here.
Thank you. My pleasure.
So the first thing you're going to need is documentation. That documentation comes in a number of forms.
Yeah, the best thing you can do is to take pictures, a lot of photos. Start getting your stuff together. If you have any expenses that were a result of the hurricane, save those receipts and keep them all together and start getting yourself in a place where you're starting to prevent any further damage and getting that insurance file right away.
So that includes if you had to evacuate, you have a hotel bill. Keep that receipt as well, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
All right. So what's the biggest mistake people make when they're filing a claim?
Basically making sure that they are working with reputable people. If it sounds too good to be true, with people saying that they can help you and all that, not falling for that. But when you file a claim, it's getting it done early and making that claim right away so that we can get the process started. Because insurance companies will work these in the order they are filed and based on severity. So the best thing to do is to get it filed right away.
And there are people who are going to come knocking on your door saying, hey, we can help you sign this. Don't sign anything.
Right. What you're doing is signing your rights away to somebody else, and you don't want to do that. So without talking to an expert, make sure that you know all the facts and don't sign anything without exactly knowing what it is.
Now, this is the biggest bugaboo. There was a lot of flooding with Ian. If you did not have flood insurance, you may be up the creek, pardon the pun here, without a paddle.
Yeah, it's what keeps me up at night as an insurance agent. We're trying to protect people. And Florida being flat, surrounded by water and prone to hurricanes, the flood risk is really the biggest risk and a lot of times. And what happens is in a storm is they will draw a line on your house where that water damage happened. And everything below that water line is covered by flood insurance, and everything else is covered by hurricane insurance. So without that flood insurance coverage, you really are, there's a big gap in your coverage.
If they come back and say, you didn't have flood insurance, do you have any recourse?
No, I mean, really you don't. If it's truly flood damage, you do not have any recourse. There are some things you can do. FEMA has put a program together where that you can apply for up to $37,000 in aid and help in that regard, if that's the case. But regardless, that's something that's really important is making sure you are covered for flood.
How about uncovered losses? Any place to turn for help?
Same thing. The FEMA has a program as well, so you can register with FEMA online and say, hey, I've got damage that's uncovered or not covered. The one thing that I will also say is this storm, we got lucky. It didn't hit us the way that it could have, right? But if you do have some damage, and we've had claims over the weekend and on Friday, make sure you file the claim, even if it's a small amount of damage, because that hurricane deductible applies to another storm if it happens. So it may be underneath your deductible, but it could apply to the next storm if it comes. So make sure you get it covered.
What if the insurance company comes back, gives you a settlement check, and you go, I think this is not fair, or it's way short?
Great question. And so there's a lot of strategies along those lines. First thing, call your insurance agent and talk to them about it and say, this is what I feel. The adjuster is making that decision and putting the information together. You have to make another case. And so you get another estimate from a contractor that says, hey, this is actually more expensive than it was. You submit that documentation. If you still get a no, there's also what's called mediation, which you can do online, and it's a free service where an independent mediator looks at your case and decides, okay, I can give you a little bit more money here, and then that's what happens.
And I've got to ask you this. There is another storm that's going to hit us. We dodged a bullet here.
Yeah.
This is the time to sit back and assess your situation and evaluate your insurance liability.
Yeah, like you said, we got really lucky on this one. I was at the beach and saw the dunes were very close to coming in. And so what's really important is just be prepared for the next time. Take some pictures of your insurance policies, have your policy number and your insurance coverage looked at. Look at what you have for flood insurance. Even if there's a way to save cost and add flood insurance, I would look at doing that because that's a very big exposure. But just get yourself ready, have your stuff prepared, and we got lucky on this one, but let's make sure we're more prepared for the next one.
Even if you're not in a flood zone. Billy Wagner, appreciate you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
It's weather time at 8:18.